to eat. But I don't want to eat it. You can count on us. We will help you make delicious and nutritious meals. Fish! I am fish. I can make you smarter. I want to turn into delicious fish soup. Can you help it remove fish scales? Pick out fish bones. Be careful with fish bones when eating and don't swallow them. Hello, shiitake mushrooms! Would you like to turn into fish soup together? Sure, we would love to! The shiitake mushrooms jump into the water perfectly. Help the fish pull shiitake mushrooms ashore. Hello, little tofu! Would you like to join us to turn into fish soup? Sure, fish soup will be more nutritious with tofu added. Slice the tofu into small pieces. Let's start boiling the fish soup. It's time to eat. It's so delicious. I would like to have more fish soup. You will be smarter with more fish soup. Pumpkin! I am Pumpkin. I can improve your immunity and make you stronger. I want to turn into sweet pumpkin pudding. Wow, such adorable pumpkin cubes. Hello, eggs! I would like to invite you to turn into pumpkin pudding together. Sure, let's help you. Hello, Milk. Would you like to turn into pumpkin pudding with me?
Sure, I would love to join you.
Let's piece the straw together for the milk. The oven party is starting now. The pudding wants to be prettier. It's time to eat. The sweet pumpkin pudding is so tasty. It feels great to have the sweet pumpkin.